Welcome back to Y Sky Garage. In this episode, we start the skid plate. So the goal for today is to build something to protect this lower half of the radiator. I'm gonna try to find some type of sheet metal to go down there, and then we'll build some brackets and supports. That way, if we ran through an RV or something on accident, then wouldn't damage our radiator or anything. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, so I'm thinking maybe one of these guys. Tilt it like that. Or this is our scrapyard here. We got a bunch of stuff. Maybe one of these tanks too. Good width. Perfect. Yeah, this one I need a plasma cutter.
They were actually meant to bump into things. Like you were supposed to feel the bump.
Alright, so basically what we're thinking is we're gonna cut that down there, cut out a spot right here for the lower control arm. Same thing on the other side, cut out the lower control arm. This part in the center we're gonna bend down and then drill a few holes in here and bolt it directly to the subframe. $5. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see our video next week where we finish up the skid plate, get our roof rack mounted up, and maybe add a couple more lights up top. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, really helps me out, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a video. Thanks again for watching.